Welcome to the poop factory. It's working hard inside of me. I take a bite, chomp, chomp, chomp. Then down the slide the food goes, woo! Through the tube it twists and turns. That's where tummy power burns. Smash and mash and mix it through. My body knows just what to do. Chew it, mash it, send it through. The poop factory knows what to do. Take the good stuff, vitamins too. Then it sends the leftovers, PLOOP, out of you. Yeah! Fuel for muscles, fuel for brain, energy for jumping in the rain. Every snack goes on a track through the factory in your back. First the stomach churns it round like a washing machine underground. Then the intestine twists like tracks, pulling nutrients from your snacks. Protein builds and carbs give speed. Veggies give your body what it needs. Water helps it slide along. Hydration keeps the system strong. If you don't eat fiber foods, things might stop. Uh-oh, not good. Fruits and veggies help things move. That's the factory groove. Chew it, mash it, don't forget. Your body's the best machine you've met. Healthy food goes in with pride. The rest goes out. Goodbye, goodbye. The poop factory running smooth. That's how your body makes its move. Yeah!